This is a three-piece luggage set, and as you can see here, I've got the orange. It does have, it's like a hard plastic shell with little decorative stripes here, and of course there's 4 wheels on the bottom, so you can easily roll it around. You've got your handle on top here, and then you have another handle to carry it as well here. So 2 ways to carry it, and it looks like it has like reinforced corners as well. So let me unzip it here. One nice feature though that it has is this TSA lock. So you can just set your combo here and unlock it. It does have a way for TSA to open it with their special key, and you just pop this button and it unlatches it, and then you can just put these right back in and lock it up again. So it has 2 zippers. Now open it up, and inside are the other 2 bags. Get this opened up here. This is the first bag. It's just like a little bag, probably like a cosmetic bag, I would assume you'd use this for. And everything is vinyl. It's all waterproof. So inside of here is a zippered compartment, and then on the other side are 2 other open compartments, right there and there. And then it also has snaps on each side, so you could snap this down and possibly maybe hang it on something, I guess. But so that's the first little bag. Then there's a larger bag like this. It has a pouch in the front here, right there, and it has 2 long straps on it to hold it. And then on the side here there is a shoulder strap that you could connect and put it over your shoulder. On this side is a compartment that unzips, and it's very deep. You could go really far in there. So I guess you could put shoes or wet clothing in here, and that would keep it like inside of the bag and keep it dry, or keep it away from your other clothes. And on this side you get another open compartment. I mean, you could put a water bottle or some other item in there. And let's unzip this. This also has 2 zippers. So in here it's a pretty deep, pretty big bag, and it has a zippered compartment on this side, all lined. It's waterproof. And on the other side you've got 2 pouches here, there and there. And again, this would enter into the area, so like I said, it could be shoes or wet clothing would go inside of the bag. So that's that duffel. Now the suitcase itself, as you can see here, on one side, whoop, knocking everything over. On this side you have a zippered area to hold like your clothing in here, and you have a mesh zippered area right here. And on the other side you have this strap to keep everything in its place. Some like larger items you'd probably want to put there. Now, one thing to point out, this does not expand, so this is the size. You know, you fill it as it is. It won't open up anymore. But it's a good size unit. It's good for, you know, 2, 3, 4 days. I mean, some people probably get a week's worth of clothing here, I guess, but not me. So if you're looking for something that's, you know, good priced and sturdy and comes with a couple extra bags, then you might want to take a look at this case.
Let's unbox this luggage set that we got from Coolife, and this set specifically comes with 6 different pieces. Straight out the box, everything comes secured and nicely packaged. This luggage set in particular came with 4 different sizes: a 28-inch, a 24-inch, a 20-inch, and a 16-inch. The inside of all of these have divided compartments, zippered pockets, and adjustable straps. It keeps your items neatly organized and secured during transit. The TSA approved locks ensure your belongings are safe while allowing for seamless inspections by airport security. Each suitcase has 360-degree spinner wheels, with the luggage effortlessly gliding alongside with you. Alongside with the suitcases, this set also comes with a travel bag and a toiletry bag. The toiletry bag is very spacious, and it also comes with 2 handles you can attach to your duffel bag or to your luggage, and it also has 2 pockets and a zipper in the inside. As for the duffel bag, the front has this pocket and the back has this space where you can put on your luggage handle. It also has this pocket on the side for the shoes, very spacious as you can see. It also has a wet dry pocket, and it comes with this beautiful shoulder strap. The great thing about these suitcases is that it's easy to storage. They all fit within each other and it's easy to put away.